Hello and a very good morning from Kathmandu in Nepal. We are bringing you live reportage here on NDTV on all the focus areas of the massive protest that has led to deadly violence in Kathmandu, Nepal. My video journalist Prem Singh showing you visuals of the APF of Nepal deployed right outside the Nepalese parliament after a day-long deadly protest in which 19 protesters, including a 12-year-old, were brutally killed and more than 350 injured. Here, outside the Nepal parliament, there is an eerie calm. Hundreds of protesters are still continuing, and here on NDTV, all through, we'll be bringing you views, perspectives, and on-ground live reportage on what is expected through the day today. My colleague Siktar Dev is also joining us from another parallel location outside the Nepal parliament. Even as the deployment of the forces continues here, you can also see visuals of barricading and also protesters who are lining up here to get you, in fact, continuing the protest here, demanding justice and resignation of KP Sharma Oli. Let's try and speak to some of the people here, but also let's bring you live reportage. Sikta is joining me live from another location outside the Nepal parliament. Sikta, what's the latest that you're picking up? Curfew has been imposed yet again by the Nepal government, 8:30 a.m. till indefinite. And the question really is the Nepal government trying to curb the protesters yet again? Deadly clashes yesterday weren't enough. Who will answer for that? And what is likely to happen through the day today? Let me try and speak to some of the people who are here. क्या आपका डिमांड है? आप क्यों यहाँ पर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं?
हम लोग का मेन डिमांड अगेंस्ट करप्शन है. जो गवर्नमेंट ने जिस हिसाब से करप्शन किया है वो करप्शन के हिसाब से वी डोंट वांट दिस गवर्नमेंट टू गो अहेड. मेन थिंग इज दैट. एंड हम लोग का क्या है कि अभी इस वक्त में अहिले हाम्रो डिमान्ड के छ भने तपाईको अहिले हाम्रो डिमान्ड के छ भने
ठीक है. That is what is the latest coming in. People are saying that they are demanding justice, that corruption of KP Sharma Oli is the main reason for the protest, and till the time corruption continues, they will continue to protest outside the Nepali parliament.